fine.
We are going down to the North Shore.
Oh no, you should know these things.
With a couple of guys for a car show. Okay, I'll restart this. Hey guys, what is up? How did I do?
You did incredible. We're actually heading to Justin's because we're gonna be heading down to the North Shore for some, I don't know if it's like a serious meet or like, I don't know what way we're going.
Left.
Left. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to air up.
No, you won't. You did this before. Money.
Money. That's second gear. Thank you.
Do you know how to drive your car?
Nope.
Okay.
Second gear starts on accidents, proves your ability to drive a manual.
Have you ever done a turn before?
No, I don't think it's really, I mean, possible.
I've done it.
She's better than me and everything.
No, I'd say I'm worse because I should have
Should have known that.
realized that I wasn't in the right gear.
It's apparently a pretty popular meet, but I don't know if it's like popular enough to not get shut down, but we will for sure find out very soon.
Your windshield's dirty.
Yeah, because it rained. I gotta hit that spray it off.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that wipe.
We are a little early headed to Justin's, so we decided to stop for gas.
It's never too early to go to Justin's.
That's true.
We're filling up. Always needs gas, because I only put like $20.
Because he only drives it like once a year.
What? 6 gallons. Damn. No.
That's what it is.
Well, we're on our way down to the North Shore. We picked up about 5 other people. It's pretty wild. So we are heading down there now and see when we get down there. Oh no. No, Bryce, my eardrums can't see.
Yeah, you can get a hit on it that way.
I'm deaf now.
Why?
Because of the tunnels.
My fault.
Good.
I'm sorry.
sorry, bud. My car smells like really bad.
Public announcement.
Public announcement.
Public service announcement.
I should be last. It smells so bad. I can smell it in my... Dude, yeah, you're a little late, so you know. Yeah, who cares? You're good. You're good. Gen gang, Genesis gang, bro.
Oh, Jenny's, bro.
Wow, dude. Did it like come out for once?
Yeah, I brought it out of the. I sprayed it off with the power washer. I brought it here. What's up, dude?
What's up, brother? A little boosted.
Turboed intake rod.
I'd have it. Whoa, vape niche, dude. Vape niche.
Look at them pretty dope headlights.
Wow, dude.
those,
Who
huh?
did those?
Yeah.
Get that good picture stuff. Is it good? Is it good?
I'm taking a picture of all the dope ass cars. You have to get down.
No, dude. This thing is probably faster than both our cars combined.
Oh, guaranteed. That doesn't take much though.
No, you're right. I don't really add much to this color. I really enjoy.
I like the color. Oh wow, there's a lot more people.
Yeah.
I like it, even though
Get out the way, McLaren. Let me see that. Oh shit, son. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, hey, weekend then.
Hi, dog.
Great cars, like probably.
Hi, bud. Hi. Oh. I need a ride on that thing, Justin. Huh? I need a ride on that thing, Justin. The first rip on the swag cycle.
I'm fucking buying one. Wait, so what's the difference between the regular one and the Pro?
He would know if anyone. Knowing him, he bought the
I'm gonna
Pro.
get the Swagatron Swag Cycle.
Swagatron. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, look. Or just the Swagtron. I thought it was the Swagatron.
Swagatron. I would call it that.
Zero emission. Go green. Stuck like my daddy.
Whoa!
I fucking love it. Bro, I'm getting a swag cycle.
I feel so left out. Air out, dude. Whoa. Damn, bro. That's faster than mine. All right, so we were at the meet for like an hour. Maddie's making fun of us for staying so short. I'm just kidding. All right, so we're actually heading out from the meet right now. We're actually gonna go down and take some photos. That guy's vaping in a shark mask, and I'm really jealous. I'm just kidding, I'm not jealous at all. So we're off. Maddie, take this camera, because I'm gonna die.
that's cool.
I'm gonna perish. Come on, Leroy, air up. JK. Look at all those chickens.
Speed up. Slow down.
What are we doing? Chase, what's the word? Come on, Chase, let's take it, bro. The swag cycle.
I'm gonna die.
Take it off this jump, dude. Woo! Oh shit! I call next. Really easy. Justin, the professional photographer. Can't see anything now. But, hey. Are you leaving? Bye, dude.
See you, buddy.
It was good seeing you. Be safe going home.
Will do.
Oh my god, focus camera because that is nuts. Slowly but surely. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I didn't film an outro at that current time, so I'm filming one now. It was a really, really cool night. The event was actually really neat. It was organized by a group, but they didn't technically have permission to be where they were, which made it kind of cool. It made it feel like, I guess, old school. I don't know if that makes any sense, but regardless, I had an awesome time. We got some really, really cool photos. We just had an awesome time hanging out with everybody. Seeing everybody was just a great time. You know, it's always a lot of fun to meet up with people and hang out and just have a good night. So hopefully this video was very enjoyable. If it was, go ahead down and like the video, and if you want, subscribe. It's always appreciated and it means a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have an awesome day.